Hi guys, how you doing today? Today, as I had promised, we are going to do the rubber egg experiment. I have a jar, which you'll need. I have an egg, which you'll need, and vinegar. This is a fairly easy experiment, but I have to tell you what's going on. When a chicken lays an egg, bloop, there it is. It's covered in a shell, and the shell's made of calcium, just like your nails, your bones, but it's not very thick. That's why when you make eggs, you can crack them and open them up. But it's a protective coat on the shell. What we're going to do is we're going to make the shell disappear. And to do that, you need vinegar. So we'll take the egg and we'll slide it slowly in here. You don't want to break the egg. So I'm going to slide it slowly in. See? Now I have an egg. No shaking, or you'll have scrambled egg. And you take the vinegar. Ready? Blub, 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 blub. And you fill it up. Just like that. You make sure the egg is covered. What's going to happen is the vinegar is going to soak into the eggshell. And the vinegar is actually, it's called acetic acid. That's a big name, acetic acid. And what that acid does is it starts to eat away. If you look at your egg after you put it in, you can see the bubbles attaching to it. Kind of like when we did the experiment the other day, how all the CO2 bubbles attach to the little Mentos. Little bubbles are going to attach to the egg, and it'll start taking little pieces. It's like it's eating the outside of the egg. Little pieces are coming off the egg. And over the course of a day, the egg will have no shell on it. And you'll be able to see inside. You can see the yolk, you can see the whitish part of it, but you can see through it. We call it a rubber egg. Though it's not really rubber, you can't bounce it up to the ceiling. But you can take it and you can drop it on your tray and it'll bounce and roll across. Maybe once or twice, but then it'll break and you'll see it'll make a mess. So I put vinegar in. The egg is there, and if you look at the egg, I'll bring it up a little closer. Maybe you can see it. There are bubbles on the egg, and you can see that it's already starting to do its job. It's eating away at the outside shell. Got it? All right. Now we have to do this for a whole day. We're going to do that. We're going to just leave it alone. 24 hours. Tomorrow, when we do Zoom together, your egg should be just losing all of its shell. And I will try with mine to do the experiment. We'll see how it works. I'll try to bounce it. If it doesn't work, well, that's science, right? Egg, vinegar, and you let it sit. Got it? All right, I've got it right here. I'm going to set mine aside. You guys have a wonderful day. Get outside. It's supposed to be nice today. And next week, I think we're going to do a little scavenging, hunting outside. Okay? I'll give you some instructions before Monday. You have a nice day. Take care.